Today, we're learning how to end conversations smoothly in different situations. We'll cover work settings, casual conversations, social events, busy moments, phone calls, and video meetings. Let's get started. Here's a step-by-step strategy to end a conversation politely and naturally. Start by expressing appreciation for the conversation, which helps end it on a positive note. Like, "It's been great talking with you." Next, mention a reason for ending the conversation or a cue that signals you're ready to wrap it up. It doesn't have to be specific, something general works well, like "I have to get back to work." If appropriate, suggest reconnecting in the future. This keeps the tone friendly and leaves the door open for further conversation. For example, "Let's catch up again soon." Finally, end with a warm, polite closing that matches the context, whether formal, casual, or friendly. Like, "Take care," work or professional setting. "It's been great talking with you, but I'll let you get back to work." "I appreciate your time, I'll let you get on with your day." "I don't want to take up too much of your time, so I'll head off." "Thanks for your insights. I'll reach out if I have more questions." "Thanks again. I'll let you get back to work." Casual conversation with friends or family. These phrases are suitable for wrapping up conversations with friends, family, or close acquaintances. "I'd better get going, but it was nice catching up." "It's been so nice talking to you, let's do it again soon." "Anyway, I don't want to keep you. Take care." "All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye for now." "It's been lovely chatting, but I should get going." "I should get going, but let's do this again sometime." Social events or gatherings. These phrases work well in social settings when you want to wrap up a conversation. "I see someone I need to say hello to, so I'll catch you later." "I'll leave you to enjoy the event. Let's catch up again soon." "I won't keep you. Have a great evening." "I'd love to keep talking, but I need to say hi to a few others." "It's been lovely speaking with you, I hope you enjoy the rest of the event." "I won't take up any more of your time. Wishing you a pleasant evening." When you're busy or in a hurry. When you need to end a conversation quickly, these polite exits are useful. "Sorry, I have another commitment coming up. Let's catch up later. I got a few things to finish, so I'll head off. I need to get going, but let's catch up soon. I'm in a bit of a rush, so I'll talk to you later. I'd love to chat more, but I have to dash off. For ending a phone call politely, with options for both formal and casual closings. I won't keep you any longer. Thanks for the call. Thanks so much for your time. I'll let you get back to your day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. All right, I'll let you go. Take care. Thanks for calling. I'll speak to you later. I'll let you get back to your day. Bye for now. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. For video calls or online meetings, these phrases offer polite closings. I'll let everyone get back to their day. Thanks again for your time. Right, let's leave it there for today. Take care, all. That's all from me. Enjoy the rest of your day. I think that covers everything. Thank you, Everyone. Feel free to pause the video to take a screenshot or write these down so you can memorize them. Practice these responses, and you'll end conversation smoothly every time.